up.
Bring that shit in. Yeah, the movement's in motion with massive militant poetry. Now check this out. In the right light, study becomes insight for the system that disturbs. Teaches us to read and write, so-called facts are fraud. They want us to elect and pleasure, bow down until they're gone. Lost the culture lost. Spun our minds in through time. Ignorance is taking over. Yo, we gotta take the power back. Bam! Here's the plan, motherfucker. Go Sam's, get back. I know who I am. Raised up the ear, drop the style like clear. It's the beats and the lyrics they fear. The rage is relentless. We need a movement with the quickness. You are the witness of change and the counteract. We gotta take the power back. We gotta take the power back. Come on, come on. We gotta take the power back. The present curriculum, I put my fist in them. Eurocentric, every last one of them. See right through the red, white, and blue disguise. Lecture up, puncture the structure of life. Dove in our minds and attempted to hold us back. We've got to take it back. Holes in the spirit causing tears and fears. One-sided stories for years and years and years. I'm inferior, who's inferior? Yeah, you need to check the interior of the system. Who cares about only one culture and that? So we gotta take the power back. We gotta take the power back. Come on, come on. We gotta take the power back. Hey, yo, check. We're gonna have to break it down. Oh, shit. In front of the class, but the lesson plan he can't recall. The students' eyes don't perceive the lies bouncing off every fucking wall. Closure is well kept. I guess he fears playing the fool. The place the students sit and listen to that bullshit that he learned in school. Europe ain't my rope to swing on. Can't learn a thing from it. Yeah, we hang from it. Gotta get it, the rhythm. Like a motherfucking rhythm. Expose and close the doors on those who try to strangle and mangle the truth. Cause the circle of hatred continues unless we react. We gotta take the power back. Yeah, we gotta take the power back. Come on, come on. Yeah, we gotta take the power back. No more lies. No more lies. Ugh.